Let's see how to make very healthy and easy French fries using sweet potatoes. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and click the bell icon for the notifications to come up whenever I upload new videos, and also don't forget to comment, like or dislike at the end of the video. Here I have taken 2 sweet potatoes and peeled the outer skin. Now I have cut them lengthwise, almost even size, so that it gets baked evenly. Next is the most important step, soaking them in normal water for 30 minutes to 1 hour. After 1 hour, I am rinsing it and strained using a colander and resting it for 5 minutes to let the water drip off completely. After 5 minutes, I am making it more dry by spreading it on a kitchen towel and pat drying it, as we need the fries to be firm and not soggy. Now I am transferring it to a bowl to coat them with some corn flour, which will add some crispiness to the fries. Drizzle some oil if you're planning to bake them, else you may fry them directly, but make sure you fry them for a minute and then remove and refry them to get it more crispy. Since I am baking it, I have preheated the oven here to 425 Fahrenheit. Placing them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper, and most important here is to not to crowd them by leaving some space between the fries. Drizzle some more oil and bake them for 15 minutes on one side. After 15 minutes, I have removed them and flipping it carefully, which will go back in the oven for another 15 to 20 minutes. It's done. See how crispy and firm it is. Now let's flavor it with some spices. I have kept it simple. You may choose to add whatever you prefer. Here I have added some salt, chilli powder and chaat masala and gave them a good toss. Healthy and easy sweet potato fries is ready to enjoy. If you like this video, please leave me a comment and also don't forget to like the video. Also, if you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification on my new uploads. Thank you.